Good morning, student. Yesterday we will solve the BGM method, that is also known as penalty approach method. Then now we will solve the special cases of problem for alternate optimal solution, for unbounded solution and infeasible solution. First, alternate solution, we will see the same process of linear programming problem and same value from x1 and x2 value, but greater than 0 is z is same measurable. This is z answer is for example 7. The equally is same answer for z is equal to 7. Both answer will be same. Unbounded solution, that is where theta is negative or infinitive solution. That is called our unbounded solution. Third, infeasible solution, we will solve the slack variable and artificial variable are present in basic variables, so the solution is not feasible, that is infeasible solution. These three types of solution is our special cases of BGM method. Then we will solve the duality problem. Duality problem, first we will see the basic theory and difference between the duality problem. First we will see the Parimal to convert duality. Constant, if constant is less than or equal to type, we will convert constant is greater than or equal to type. If our objective function is maximize, then we will convert to minimize. If constant less than or equal to type, so we will convert the greater than or equal to type constant. Then xj variable understand, that is dual constant j is equal to type. Then if Parimal constant is equal to type, then duality constant is unrestricted sign. Then maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum, that is basic difference to duality function. Then we will solve the examples. First example we will solve maximum values, our objective function maximum z is equal to x1 minus x2 plus 3x3. Subject to constant is x1 plus x2 plus x3 less than or equal to 10. Then second constant is 2x1 minus x3 less than or equal to 2. And third constant is 2x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x2, 3x3 less than or equal to 6. And all DC variables, that means x1, x2 and x3 greater than or equal to 0. Then we will convert this value from duality convert. First, maximize to convert minimize, z to w and x to convert y. Then solution minimum z w is equal to every constant right hand side value we will consider for our objective function, and objective function value we will consider to constant right hand side value. Both values are replaced. Then first minimum w is equal to 10y1 plus 2y2 plus 6y3. Three constant right hand side value we will get our objective function, new objective function. Then subject to constant, vertically first of all x, three constant x value is first 1x1, second constant 2x1, third constant 2x1. So that means our first objective function, subject to constant y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3 less than or equal to constant, we will convert greater than or equal to, and objective function 1x1, that means 1. Second constant y1 minus 2y3 greater than or equal to minus 1. The second constant does not value any x2, that means 0 y2. So we will not write out any 0 value. Third constant is y1 minus y2 plus 3y3 greater than or equal to 3. And same all DCN variables, that means y1, y2 and y3 greater than or equal to 0. Same we will solve another examples, second examples of duality convert. We will see our z value is 6x1 plus 4x2 plus 6x3 plus x4. And subject to constant means first constant is 4x1 plus 4x2 plus 4x3 plus 8x4 is equal to 21. Here first constraint is equality form. Second constraint 3x1 plus 17x2 plus 18x3 plus 2x4 less than or equal to 48. And last, x1 and x2 greater than or equal to 0 decision variables, and x3 and x4 decision variables is unrestricted sign. Now we will convert duality problem. Z to W maximize to minimize and X to Y. Right hand side value both concern our objective function. That means 21 y1 plus 48 y2. W is equal to 21 y1 plus 48 y2. Subject to constant, first constant is our x1 value, second constant x2, third constant x3, last fourth constant x4. First constant 4y1 plus 3y2 greater than or equal to 6. Second constant 4y1 plus 17y2 greater than or equal to 4. Third constant is 4y1 plus 80y2 less equal to 6. Why equal to? Because third and fourth constant decision variables x3 and x4 are unrestricted sign. That is our third and fourth constant is equality form. Third constant 4y1 plus 80y2 equal to 6, and last constant is 8y1 plus 2y2 equal to 1. And last x1 and x2 y1 and y2. y1 is unrestricted sign and y2 is greater than or equal to 0. All decision variables. So here we will see the Parimal to duality function and special cases of big M method. Okay, next lecture, our here now LPB syllabus second topic linear programming problem is completed, and now tomorrow we will see our third topic syllabus from transportation model. If any doubts, please comment in comment section. Thank you.